Well, good morning, everybody. If you don't know, Philippines has a ton of holidays. Many of them are religious. And today is San Juan de Baptista. And wow, it's on a Wednesday of all things. It's not on a weekend. And so every year, it always turns out to be raining, by the way. Last year, the tide was all the way up to the wall, but now it isn't. You will see, if you come here this day, every year, right around noon, they set off. And all of the fishing boats, and I don't know, every boat, they're all fishing boats, let's be honest. They all come together and they do a parade. And it is incredible to watch, especially because I have the drone. I can get right up, right in there. But they parade the entire length of the beach. And it's pretty cool to watch, I gotta tell you. And yeah, it happens every single year. And like I said, it's different every year. But unfortunately, because it's on a Wednesday, there's not a lot of people out to watch it. But hey, I got a drone. So I'm gonna show you guys. It's gonna come a little music and everything. It's gonna be really cool. And if you had a boat and you're down here in the Philippines, you're allowed to join. Everybody's free to join. Some kids screaming over here. Anyway, really cool. By the way, the temperature has dropped dramatically. It is, oh, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. There's no sun right now, I get it. And where you can get a few drops of rain, but man, this is nice. What a beautiful day. We're gonna go to the Canadian Beaver. When we're in town, we go on Wednesdays at 5 p.m. It's the unlimited chicken wings for 299 pesos, like unlimited. You know, that's $5. Unlimited chicken wings, you could eat how many kilos? Anyway, so we're gonna be going down to the Beaver a little later, but this is how our morning started. Well, morning, lunchtime. Pretty cool.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine. When we wanna hear the ocean, I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if we don't wanna, we don't ever, ever, ever have to leave. Yeah, there might not be a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. On ice. Paradise is wherever we make it. AC to 79. Paradise is wherever we make it.
Okay, did you see all those boats?
Yeah.
What did you think? Pretty cool? That was a lot of boats, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, where are we gonna go a little later?
At the Beaver.
Yeah, at the Beaver. We like meeting everybody, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Yeah.
cool.
But my dress is
Oh, well, you'll get dressed.
Yeah.
You'll get dressed. It's still lots of time, okay? Don't worry. Don't worry, that's your sleeping outfit.
Yep.
Well, guys, we've been saving up for this. And then they did a massive sale. So, you know Octagon in the mall? In all the shopping malls here. It's called Octagon. It's an electronics store. It's usually just computers and stuff like that, right? And so for my big PC or whatever, I have these, you know, APC units, battery backup, or UPS, sorry. Uninterruptible power system. And I noticed in the store they had this 3,000 volt one here. So you can see here for 220, which is normal here. And it's got the voltage range, whatever frequency. But yeah, 3,000 volts, 1,800 watts. And I was like, huh, wait a minute. This looks pretty good. And has 4 outlets on the back of it. And for a computer, like an office computer, that kind of thing, right? It's going to run, you know, your computers can continue to run after a power outage for several hours. And so I did the math and I was like, wait a minute. So when we have these power outages and I'm going downstairs and turning on the generator and all this just to run fans and, you know, the Wi-Fi router and that kind of thing, it's kind of silly. It's just overkill by far, right? And because our generator's not hooked into our rental house, so we can't get anything out of it other than stuff that's plugged in. So not our split air cons. And so I saw that and I was like, wait a minute. If we save up and get one of these, because Blue Eddy, you ever heard of those Blue Eddy things, those battery pack things? They're like 72,000 pesos right now for 3,000 volts. Now they get higher draw on those, so you can run like, you could put a kettle on it or a microwave, that kind of thing. You can't do that for these. But for the stuff that we need, this was a way better option. And we've got some big power outages coming up. They've already planned them out, 12-hour, that kind of thing. And this could be very helpful. We won't even know the power outage is gone in the night. Yeah, the air conditioner cut out by then, the room's cool. It's just the fans and, you know, the little minor stuff that you might notice, and then you wake up and you're like, oh, I'm all sweaty and hot because the fan's not working and you can't get a good night's sleep. I think we just sold it for 10,000 pesos. 1/7 the price of like those Blue Eddies. Well, you know how this all works out, because yeah, for a lot of people, they're like, wait a minute, 10,000 pesos, so 150 bucks. You guys don't have to worry about power outages for many hours. We'll see. I don't know how long it's going to last. I did look it up. The computer screen that's on it, it runs so many watts just maintaining its own system. So when the power goes out, and so that's going to be part of the draw. I think this is going to work great. We'll find out. Well, we're walking down to the beach. The beach is this weird ridges and everything right now. Not looking very beautiful beach-like these days, just because the way the tides come in. There's black sands over there. And there's still people out. And, you know, it's not a real holiday, right? Like, you don't get it off work and stuff like that. So there wasn't a lot of people out watching what you saw taking place for the boats out there. It was just the fishermen participating, I think, for the most part. Coast Guard, police, stuff like that. But yeah, these little river inlets, because the water will drift over and get stuck on this side. Then you get all those guys, what do you call it? Surfing? No. I always forget. I forget all the time. It's like a surfboard with no fin on it. And they run and then they skip board? Maybe skip boarding. Something like that. I think that's one of the words. Anyway, we're going over to the Beaver. It rained a little bit today, but it wasn't bad. Just drizzle. It's nice and cool out though. I do like that. here we are. Yeah, it's a little bit more beach when you get a little closer to the popular tourist area. Almost flat, just a little bit of a bump there. I think it's because we get two different tides, a low tide a low high tide, and then we get another one maybe up here. No longer up there right now. That'll change soon though. Tides will be crashing against the walls, and look at that, there's David and Irene, and Joni's here. Hello guys. And I know we had some expats visiting town. We told them to come at this time too, so we'll see. But as you can see, the beaver's looking a lot better from the beach these days. Minus, oh, he's got his drone up. There it is. It's one of those little tiny drones that can follow him everywhere. Ooh, my blood pressure is low. That's so rare. Hello, Joni. How are you? And yes, not much going on yet. Maybe a little bit later. Well, people are coming out. It's nice. We got Felix and his wife. That was just in the last video. Over here we got Patrick and his girl, and David's just wandering off, but he was here with Irene. And we got some other friends of mine over here from the other part of the city. And we got a few tables going. Hey, what's up, brother?
What's up?
Hey.
Hello.
These guys having a barbecue on the beach, feeding the random dogs. Anyway, yeah, it's cooler, quiet, you know, it's slow season, but I'm traded for the rest of the world. Love this life. All right, we had a good night. We meet with a lot of people. A lot of people came in. That's really awesome. But I want to show off these couple here and their kids and mother, all visiting from California and maybe one day relocating here to the Philippines.
Yeah.
They're checking out the possibility. That's why they're down. They're doing an exploration, right?
Exactly.
Right, fantastic.
Got that.
But you're loving it, right?
Of course I am.
Okay, of course, of
Yes,
course.
it.
Well, enjoy your trip, guys. It's awesome that you came here to the Canadian Beaver.
It's awesome to be here.
Yeah, I appreciate you coming. So much, so much.
Thank you.
All right, we gotta go. We gotta go. Oh my goodness! I can't believe how many changes are here. This is my friends Suzette and Colleen. Their video, and we did a tour of their house, was uber popular. Okay, very, very, very popular. I'll find it. I'll put it right here, like that house. I'm sure many of you will remember this house. And they just invited us over, and we just sat, chatting and everything. And everything is different. Their whole backyard is now actually done. In the video, there was nothing here, it was just dirt. And they got themselves a nice pool here. They got a shower over here and everything. It's not a big, huge pool. They knew what they were dealing with the amount of land here, but this is great. You still get to enjoy yourself. It's very nice. And then, like, all of the wall looks much nicer now and painted and everything. And there's the beach. Very nice. And they're pretty high up here. So do they have steps? Oh, yeah, they have steps. Not steps down there. Takes them down. But, yeah, this house is like, what do we call it? The zombie house. It's been fully protected all the way around and everything. They now have a garage door in the front, too. And what else has changed? Oh, they got a 100-inch TV now and stuff like that. Like, oh, so beautiful here. And the beach here in Rojas City. Oh, yeah. Like, look at the size of that. Look at the size of that TV. That is amazing. And like the surround sound system they have installed in it. Man. That is nice. So nice. I just love this house because it's so silent in here. Absolutely. You can't hear anything from outside. Love it. They did a really good job. This was the house that was built in AAC block. So it's not, the cinder blocks or anything like that. These AAC blocks come in and they get assembled. And it's so great. What is that? Oh. That is something that drops down, you know? I couldn't figure out what that was. Okay, it's a light. Nice. All right, we came back from our friends there, and they had a phone. It's a Pixel 7 Pro from Canada that they had, or America, sorry. that they had replaced. And they said, do you want it? And Catherine needed another. And so that actually worked out really well because you could tell in the weight. A phone you buy here and made for the Asian market is the same name, same everything, but it's not. It's not the same. They are completely different weighted. The glass around here, like the screens, they say, oh, it's this, it's that, and they all break, they all crack, they all split. It's not like American standards. So anyway, so we're happy to get that, and we got to hang out with them for a couple hours anyway. It was a lot of fun. I love their house. I really do love their house. It's such a perfect place, especially for them. They love it, like they designed it, so they love the whole layout and everything. Anyway, it's been a really nice day. Yesterday was cool and rainy, and today it's sunny. It's hot, but it's like a dry heat. It doesn't feel like a humid heat, and there's a nice breeze, so it doesn't feel too bad at all. And this morning, oh wow, look at the garbage. We got to get somebody out here to clean up. This was so calm and flat. I wish I had filmed it. It was all the way to here, and it was just crystal clear flat. Anyway, it's a weekday. It's Thursday and Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. Slowest days here at the beach in Ross City. Restaurants, everything will be dead. Thursday is the worst day of the month, or the week, sorry. And but yeah, then Friday everything picks up again. And we're hoping the neighbors. This has been here for over a month. And they've contracted, they're going to have their wall higher, so they have more privacy for their pool. And they put this thing up, and then they never came back. So I talked to the owner of this place, and she's pretty mad at them. And they promised they're going to be here yesterday. They didn't come. So for the next couple days, they can finally get in here, get their thing done, so that this doesn't have to sit here. Because come storm, like if we get a typhoon or anything comes through, this is crap that's going to fly over and smash into our windows. We can't plan for something like that. We don't own that. So hopefully you'll see that fixed soon. Anyway, I'm going to edit this video, and we'll talk to you guys all later. Thanks for joining. I hope you guys subscribe and all that good stuff. Hit like. It's free. It's absolutely free. And we'll see you all again very soon. Bye-bye, guys.
And I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time